Hey, welcome back to my channel. Give me a like, subscribe, it means a lot. Today I want to talk about 3-note per string major scale. We're going to talk about it in the key of A, starting on the 5th fret. So this is a great way to start learning, more of the fretboard, covering a lot of frets with one scale. So let's jump right in. So we'll start here with our first finger on the 5th fret. 7th fret, you can use your 2nd finger or 3rd finger. I use my 3rd finger. 9th fret. It repeats. Then we go to 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. 7, 9, 10. That's our root right here, the A. 7, 9, 10 on the high E. And I'm using alternate picking where I'm going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So with my first finger here on the root, that means I can play the scale anywhere I decide, to put this first, finger. I could start it here on the 8th fret, and it'd be C major. So you can do a lot with it. And I'll give you a few sequences here that you can use for this scale, just to practice, getting your fingers in position for the scale and to memorize it. The first one is going to kind of alternate. So you'll start with the first note to the last note to the middle note, if that makes sense. So it'd be 5, 9, 7. And it repeats all the way through the scale. I'll do it slow. And then descending, coming back. So it starts 7, 10 to 9. Then 6, 9 to 7, 5, 9 to 7. So it's pretty, useful when you're first starting out to just memorize the scale and get your fingers to memorize where you're, going with that. And the third one I want to give you, once you get it up to speed, it can be kind of, somewhat, of a shreddy kind of attempt, but so what I'm doing here is I'm doing, and then when I get to the next string, I'll double it. So the 5th to the 2nd string, I'll play it twice, but the first and the last string, I'll only do the pattern once. And then, descending. So give those a try. They're pretty useful. once again, you can, plug them in anywhere. You can check the tab that I put up here in the video. And, as time goes on, dig around, check out other people's videos, and get more sequences, that you can memorize. And I'm thinking of doing, a video of all the positions of the major scale, which kind of outline some of the modes, or all of the modes in the major scale. So once again, thanks for watching.